Look at my skin. I'm glowing. My lips are moisturized. I'm smelling good. I'm looking good. And I'm ready to start my week.
Wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm ShennaLagail and I am back with another video. So this video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a relaxing, affordable shower routine. I would like to dedicate this to the mothers. Y'all, it's Sunday. It's about 9:30 p.m. I got my kids all ready for school. I cooked. I done ran all weekend, and it's time to just reset and get ready for the week because I have to go to work tomorrow. So y'all, I just wanted to create this shower routine. It's very affordable. I'll be showing you all the products that I'll be using. It's very simple. And yeah, just to relax and unwind and get ready for the week. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. And let me show you some of the products that I will be using. Okay y'all, so I'm going to be showing you all the products and that I'll be using in my relaxing shower routine. So these here are some exfoliating gloves. They're real popular. You put them on, you can lather up and they'll exfoliate your skin, leave your skin feeling really soft. I got this 2-pack of gloves from DD's discount for $3.99. Not sure if you can see it, but I got it for $3.99. You also can find these gloves at the Dollar Tree. You'll get one pair for $1.25. So yes, get you some exfoliating gloves and make your skin feel so soft. So from the Dollar Tree, I found these. These are shower fizzies. So with this, you just throw one of these on the floor of your shower where the water is running, and then it'll create aromatherapy and just set the whole mood. So you don't necessarily have to take a bath to get that spa treatment. If, like me, I have a shower, or if you're the type of person who like to take showers, you can go to the Dollar Tree, just keeping it budget friendly, or you can get them at, you know, other places. But these here was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. You just throw one of those on their shower floor and let the water steam it, and you just create the whole spa mode. Very relaxing. Also at the Dollar Tree, I got this towel wrap that I will be using on my hair, just to kind of give me that, also that spa vibe. When I'm wearing my lace wigs, I still like to put on my elastic band to protect my lace, and then I will follow with this spa towel for my hair, just to pull the hair back, make sure my lace and all of that is fully covered. And yeah, I got this also at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Next, after I bathe, after I do my facial wash, I will be doing this mask. This is a Hydro Firm lace mask, collagen shot. So I got this mask from Walmart. It was about $2.50, somewhat like that. And so I love to do masks on my face. It leaves my face so bright and glowing, y'all. It just, I don't know. It's something about the serum that's in face mask. It really don't matter what type I use, but this is what I'll be following up with after my shower. And the soap that I will be using, y'all, just keeping this budget friendly. I usually use Dove soap, but this is a budget friendly shower routine, so I do have the Equate version. That's the Walmart version of the Dove soap, deep moisturizing body wash. So I will be using this in my shower routine today. It's just a little bit cheaper than the Dove soap, but it works just the same. And for anybody who usually watch my videos and see my face routine, everybody knows I clean my face with the Cetaphil, or either the Equate version of the Cetaphil. I just replaced my last one, so I do have the brand name. And then I always use this exfoliating pad that you can get from the Dollar Tree, but this one here actually came from Marshall's. It was a 3-pack, it was on clearance, and so I always use these to exfoliate my skin, to get all the dead skin off my face and keep my skin glowing. So also tonight I will be using these moisture repair foot masks. I have to take it out so you can see it. So these foot masks I got from Diddy's for $4.99. I have never used a foot mask before, but this is the relaxing resetting base, so I will be using one today. This is what it looks like. It's a moisture repair foot mask, almond and shea butter. It hydrates, softens, and restores the feet. It comes with one pair, which is 2 booties or 2 boots to go on your feet. And basically they say you apply socks to clean, dry feet, leave on for 20 minutes, remove and dispose, allow skin to absorb the remaining serum, no need to wash. So simply it's like a face mask for your feet, so I will be using this. So after my shower, I like to moisturize my skin. For some reason, my skin is always really dry. I have naturally dry skin, so I have to moisturize. So since I'm ready, preparing for bed, I'm gonna use this Calming Vaseline lotion. This is just calm, healing, restores dry skin without feeling greasy. Everybody knows the lavender scent. It's lavender scent. It gives you that relaxing feeling. So I will be putting this on after. You also can find this in the Equate brand or store brand, but this is the Vaseline brand. I already had this here. And after I put on my lotion, sometimes I like to mix it in my hand up with my body oil gel. Sometimes I just put it on after, but like I said, my skin is really dry, so I like to put this on all over. I do have the Johnson's version, and then I have the Equate version. So either way, as you can see, the Equate version is almost gone. I had this one actually first, and I already bought another one. So this right here, you can mix this with your lotion or just put it on after your lotion, and your skin will be really soft. If you have naturally dry skin like me, try this mixing with your favorite lotion and you won't go wrong. Okay, y'all, and so a lot of people, you know, they don't use powder, but I love to use powder. Not on my bottom half, but I like to rub it all over my stomach and chest just to give me that extra fresh feeling when I get out the tub. So I will be using my shower to shower powder as well. You also can find this in the Equate version at Walmart or another store brand version. Powder is powder. I really like this shower to shower brand of powder because the scent is very fresh and it's strong. So y'all, let me get ready to take this shower. I'm so excited, I'm so tired. I'm ready to wind down and get ready to lay down and get my beauty rest. So y'all, let me start.
Whip, body, whip, got it, yeah, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see in my line, I'm on no line, you're mad. You want this back, so I'm cool with that. I'm just just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture and post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Whip, body, whip, got it, yeah, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your line, you're mad. You want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me. Whip, body, whip, got it, yeah, on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your line, you're mad. You want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give your all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't post it. How that works? What you talking? Back that shit up. Won't you say mine, say mine? So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no that.
Okay, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed my affordable, relaxing shower routine. Y'all, I'm feeling so good, so relaxed, so ready to go to bed. Like, I am so tired, but y'all, look at my skin. I'm glowing. My lips are moisturized. I'm smelling good. I'm looking good. And I'm ready to start my week. So I want to say thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. See y'all later.